like I'm supposed to.
Good morning, ladybugs. Thank you for stopping by on this channel. I am here at work. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Stacy, and I like to do all things home decor, decorate, makeovers, lifestyle, you name it, I'll do it. So anyway, I'm vlogging today. I brought you guys to work with me today.
Make me feel.
Alright, ladybugs, so my trailer is not on the yard. The driver is like 20 minutes away, so I have to wait for my trailer to come in before I can leave out, which is okay, I guess. It's alright. But anyway, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And yesterday I had a long day. It seemed like every day I'm pulling like 12 hours. But, you know, that's that trucking life. That's that trucking life. I just got back into it. I've been out of trucking for a while, like I explained earlier. And, man, now I remember. I remember now. But anyway, I'm supposed to have company this weekend. So, and I've been too tired, like too tired to go home and prepare for my company. You know, I hope I can get it done before they get here. But if not, they'll understand. They will understand. But that's pretty much it. I gotta go to the store and get, you know, some breakfast stuff. Get some breakfast stuff and all of that. I just want to thank all of y'all for supporting me, showing your love. And I'm trying to hit that 500 goal, y'all. Let's hit that 500 goal so we can get it popping over here. You hear me? Let's do it. Those of you who are not subscribed and that's watching, just hit the subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. It don't cost you nothing. Just hit the subscribe button. That way, we can reach our goals. But right now, the goal is 500, so let's go. I think I'm in the way. I'm going to get started. Started this job, guys, and for the most part I like it. It's okay. The people are very nice here, very nice. And I told them the other day, I said, y'all, I want to know why y'all so nice around here. Like, people can be nice, lady. Yeah, they can be. There are some nice people out there, but there's so many evil people. You don't even know who's nice and who's evil no more. So you just everybody is just like a suspect. I see you. I see you. But yeah. And it's so much, I hate to go from one subject to another, but this right here, this computer, is just so much to do on here, and I don't understand why it's so much to do. Every other job that I've been on in trucking, I've been driving for 8 years, and I ain't never had this much work on a computer before. But I guess it's the first time for everything. So I don't have to, my first trip, I don't have to go too far, so I'm hoping. But they might be short today. If so, that's good, because I could get stuff done. But on the flip side, it's not good, because that shortens the get to get my baby. Oh, I don't see him. I had this baby. I had my grandbaby every day since he was born. And since I came back to work, I don't get to see him much. He started school. First he was in this school. I told my daughter, he got to come out of there, because he was not happy at all. At all. I think the vibes, kids can feel vibes off of people. They know good vibes and bad vibes. I don't know how it is, but kids know. And my baby was not happy, and he was crying. He is not a crybaby. Those people know him, know that he's a happy baby. He's not a crybaby. I mean, of course he cries about stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what he cried about, but it's nothing major. And my baby cried for 8 hours. He cried so much that his whole face was just swollen. When my daughter FaceTimed me, I was like, I was ready to go over there to them people, y'all. Yes, I was. And so I just told her, I said, nah, he got to get out of there. So she found the place. She's so excited about it. He started already. He's been there, I think a week. And he's so happy. He hasn't cried since he's been there, the lady said. She said, when my daughter go and ask him, did he cry today? She said, him? Not him. He act like he been here a whole year already. So I'm able to work. I'm happy about that, because I wasn't able to work, y'all. I was driving this truck, worried if he was crying and all this stuff. I was ready to quit just to go and keep my baby. But she found a place, thank goodness. My God, thank God. So that's that. But I can't wait to see him this weekend, because I don't get a chance to see him. I really don't at all. I'm drinking coffee. I don't even make coffee at home no more, because they make it here, so I just make it when I get here. And I be needing that cup of coffee in the morning. I sure do. I don't know about anybody else said. If y'all know what, let me know in the comments, and let me know if y'all drink coffee or tea, or if you have to have it, if it sets your day off right, or you just don't drink neither. Let me know in the comments. Oh boy, this is why you don't cut corners on nothing. Do not cut corners on nothing, because I did inspection on my truck right here, and then I went to the inspection on the trailer. How can I inspect the trailer that's not here? So I just thought about it like, dummy. Why did you pass the trailer and it's not even here? I don't know. So I wonder if I could go back and take it back. I don't think so. But oh well. Lesson learned. I know not to do that again. Yeah. I'm just sitting here waiting. Hurry up and wait. That's my motto. Hurry up and wait. It's early. It is, I'm at my second stop, I guess my last stop. My first stop, I was there for like 4.5, 5 hours waiting to get unloaded. And now I'm at my second stop. I just got here, I just backed in, waiting for them to unload me. It has been a long day. It is 5 o'clock. I've been at work since 6:30, 6:30, I believe, 6:30. You guys been hanging out with me since, I think, 7 o'clock, which is great. I love the company. Thank y'all so very much for keeping me company. It is hot out here and sunny. So I'm tired. That's what I be talking about, these 12, 13-hour days during the week. A girl be needing some woosah on the weekends. You hear me? A nice drinky drink. Chill out in that backyard. You saw that patio makeover. If you have not seen that patio makeover, I will be putting a link here or there, one of these sides, so you can check out that backyard makeover, that patio makeover. I keep saying backyard makeover when in fact it's not a backyard makeover. It needed to be a backyard makeover because my grass is so trash. This summer I didn't do anything with the grass, but the patio is on point. Y'all hear me? So check out that video. The link will be here or there, like I said. So that's what I be needing to do on the weekends. Listen to some smooth jazz, maybe some Mary, little Jill Scott, Erica Badu. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all be feeling some of those vibes, hit me in a comment below. Who's your favorite artist and what do you like to listen to? But I'm just waiting for them to unload me, and then we gonna get out of here and get home. I'm about, let's see, I want to say I'm about 2 hours away from the yard, so I don't know what time they're gonna finish unloading me, but I'm about 2 hours away from the yard.